As the title of this video suggests, this video is about pets. 3 different topics that I've had numerous requests to cover again, so here they are. The first one is best illustrated with the following video. Roll the clip.
Okay, he's friendly.
That's what I'm banking on. Let's go. Dog thefts are rife right now. Once I have the dog on the lead, there is nothing she can do.
So first of all, this video is from the TikTok account of southenddogtraining.co.uk. Not a sponsored video, but the link is in the description below because it's a brilliant channel. But hopefully this has shown you just how easy it is to have your dog stolen, particularly if they are friendly. They run up to someone else, they slip a lead on, and off they go. If you are some 30, 50 meters away, there's probably not a lot you can do about it if you can't catch up to them. So having your dog off lead and under control is one thing, but not having them stolen is an entirely other matter. And there are many areas, sadly, throughout the country where dog thefts are rife. Theft of a pet is dealt with in just the same way as theft of any other property, because at the end of the day, a pet is property. But speaking of dogs being off lead and in or out of control, many people don't realise that the Dangerous Dogs Act of 1991 doesn't just apply to a specific list of breeds that are prohibited. Under section 3(1) of the Act, if any dog is dangerously out of control in any place, including private property, then the owner or the person at that time being in charge of the dog is guilty of an offence. This offence becomes an aggravated offence and triable either way, meaning you could go to the Crown Court if the dog injures any person or an assistance dog whilst out of control. So let this be a warning to anyone that has their dog off lead, because a dog will be regarded as being dangerously out of control on any occasion where there are grounds for a reasonable apprehension that it's going to injure another person or an assistance dog, whether or not it actually goes on to do so. That's section 10(3). The third thing I'm going to mention by popular request is actually something that I see quite frequently these days, and the person that contacted me has also seen quite frequently, and that is the dog not being restrained whilst in a vehicle. There is a trend at the moment of drivers having small dogs on their lap while they're driving. Not only is this extremely dangerous for the pooch, because if you crash, the dog is going to go flying against the back of the seat or the dashboard or the windscreen and no doubt suffer catastrophic injuries, but it will also mean that the driver is driving without due care and attention, which could mean an on-the-spot fine of £100, but if the case is more serious and you go to court, there is an unlimited fine available, a discretionary disqualification, and between 3 and 9 penalty points on your driving licence. So regardless how much your furry friend likes to have its head out of the window, please make sure that it is tethered properly and securely. Those little harnesses are only £5 or £10 and you can plug it into the seatbelt, which will keep your dog suitably restrained and not flying around the car. And speaking of furry friends, Floof here requests that you go to her channel, linked in the description below, and to subscribe to her there too. Thank you for watching.